Here is how to shoot a gun. Audio only tutorial. So first step, 3 golden rules with guns. Always pointed safe direction, finger off trigger, safety on. So take out our gun, safety on, finger off the trigger. Let's make sure it's empty first. Pull out this mag, safety off. Yeah, empty. Put down this hammer. Now, let's load her up. I'm gonna put the gun back in my waistband. Hold only the magazine in my hand. So, let's go. 1 bullet. 2 bullets. 3 bullets. 4 bullets. And let's keep the last one just in case. The 5th one. So, now that we've loaded it up, take a pistol back out, finger off trigger, put the mag back in, down range, safety off, slide back, finger on trigger, and